Your receptionist can send text messages to callers. Click Add Text Message. Label the message you want to send. This is just a label so you remember what it is later. Your caller isn't going to see this. For example, we'll add pricing info. Now add the actual text message that you want to be sent to the caller. For example, you can view our full list of prices here, and we'll add a link to our prices. Then give your receptionist some instructions on when it should send this message. For example, if somebody has questions about our pricing, send this text. We often see businesses use this feature to send a link to schedule an appointment, or a link to information about services on their website, or to send a link with directions on how to get to their business. Here's some important information to keep in mind about our texting feature. It's designed to send text messages to the number that is calling, not a different number. Also, at the moment, text messages are static, meaning you can't personalize them with your caller's name, for example. And these are one-way text messages. You can't see replies. But stay tuned, we have some really big plans for upgrades to our texting feature, so be sure to check out the Upfirst changelog to keep an eye on the latest features we add, which are all requests from our customers.